All right. Hi, everyone. It's Friday. So we have Fun Fact Friday for you. So today we are going to talk to you about Laurel Leaf. I know it's a teeny tiny 5 milliliter bottle and cedarwood. So let's share some fun facts with you about Laurel Leaf. So I'm going to read a little bit because I don't know much about Laurel Leaf, so I had to do my homework. First thing I found out about it, it is a small evergreen tree that has played an important role in Mediterranean culture for millennia. The leaves were reserved as a symbol of victory and success in both Greek and Roman cultures. Also associated with phases of the moon in contemporary Chinese culture, which I didn't know. Fun fact, it's most commonly known as bay leaves, and I cook with that all the time. I had no idea. The oil is steam distilled. It has cleansing and soothing properties. Laurel leaf has shown to promote feelings of clear thinking and concentration, which is perfect. So if you got this little bad boy in last month's promo, go ahead and diffuse it when you're working at home, or if the kids are doing the online schooling, it will help with that. Just give it a shot, see if that'll work for you. It may promote clear looking skin and reduce appearances of blemishes. So yeah, you want to, and you could also try a few drops in your shower too. So also add it in your natural cleaner if you like to make your own cleaner. So that's my fun facts for Laurel Leaf. Chris, what do you have? What can you share with us about cedarwood?
Cedarwood is a really awesome one that I only used for one thing, and that was, what do you use cedarwood drops for? Keeping moths away. So in doing our chats here, we're learning all kinds of things and making the oils much more versatile. So it's kind of exciting. Helping you guys is helping us. Mm-hmm. So cedarwood is found in the Southeast USA, the red cedar tree. And it promotes feelings of stability, determination, and vitality. So it's a good, strong oil. Mm-hmm. It has just a great warm, woodsy balsamic scent. And it can be used with bergamot, jasmine, rose, and lemon oils very well. So many different uses for this. That you can diffuse it after a difficult day. It has nice calming properties. If children have night terrors, a drop on the bottom of their feet, massage it in, let them go back to sleep. It's very relaxing. It's also clarifying for your skin, so that's always a nice thing to know. And like I said, and then people use it for exercise. Before the exercise, a drop on their chest, they rub it in, and it helps give them that extra vitality. Go a little further. Also, I guess it's being used in massages. So that's really some interesting things I wasn't aware of. Yeah. The other thing is, like I say, put it on drop some cotton ball, keeping the moths away and things like that, or add it to your cedar chest. Excuse me. And then the biggest thing I thought was really cool, I didn't think about this, but we all should go there in our thinking, was adding it to our mulch and our topsoil. It keeps the bugs away from your plants outside. So as well as, I'm sure you could use it as a bug deterrent, a nice cedary bug spray on yourself as you go out. So very, very versatile oil.
Yeah, it's amazing. I just learned 2 things I can use with this oil that I never knew before. I never thought to put it on before a workout or mix it up in the mulch. My favorite way of using it is to put it in my hair before I do Facebook Lives or go out to work, because it just gives you a little boost of confidence. Like, I got this. Plus, I like the smell of it. I think
we should have done it before we did this.
I know, we should have. Oh, well, maybe next time. All right, so that's our fun facts for you for this Friday. Tune in next week, and we'll give you more fun facts. Thanks, Chris. Thanks, everybody. See you next time.